For this question, we're going to solve using the quadratic formula. We have 2x squared plus 3x equals 1. So the first thing I'm going to do is write down the quadratic formula, which is x equals negative b plus or minus the square root of b squared minus 4ac all over 2a. Now we want to make sure our equation is in the correct form. The first thing is you want to make sure that it equals 0, which it doesn't. It equals 1 right now. So we want to subtract the 1 from both sides so that it is equal to 0. Now 2x squared plus 3x. This 1 is not like terms with any of these things, so you just want to do minus 1. Now we want to make sure it's in descending order. Our first term is x squared, our second term is x, and our third term is a constant, so it is in descending order. Now you want to figure out what a, b, and c actually are. So a is the coefficient in front of x squared, so that would be 2. B is the coefficient in front of x, which is 3. And c is our constant, which is negative 1. Now we're just going to substitute everything into our equation. So we have x equals negative b is 3 plus or minus the square root of b squared, so that would be 3 squared, minus 4 times a is 2 times c is negative 1, all over 2 times a is 2. And then we have to simplify everything. So we still have negative 3 plus or minus the square root. 3 squared is 9. Then negative 4 times 2 is negative 8 times negative 1 is positive 8. All over 2 times 2 is 4. Then this is negative 3 plus or minus the square root. 9 plus 8 is 17 over 4. And we can't simplify the square root of 17 because 17 is a prime number, and there's nothing else that looks like it can be simplified. So it looks like that is our final answer.